Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Bangalore location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for digital marketing executive for the organization Amazon located in Bangalore, Karnataka. Basic qualifications if we see should be a graduate. Work experience of minimum 1 to 2 years in media, agency, publisher house is preferred. Knowledge about digital marketing landscape and social media channels, basic knowledge is required. Good understanding of Microsoft Excel is required. Proficient in English reading and writing is required. Preferred qualifications, knowledge about Google Ads ecosystem, knowledge about paid social media marketing, and Google or digital marketing certifications is required. For more information, you can browse official provided link in description below. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Junior Research Fellow for the organization Nimans, located in Bangalore, Karnataka. Salary offered minimum 31,000 per month. Experience required minimum 1 to 3 years of experience. Education qualification is MSc. Eligible candidates fulfilling the criteria must email their applications along with resume and age proof to the uh, uh, given email ID, that is indraniddatta.biophysics@gmail.com. The candidates who apply should invariably mention the notification number, date of birth, email ID, contact number, and postal address, failing which the application will not be considered. The last date for the receipt of filled in soft copy of the applications along with the relevant documents is May 17, 2021. Applications received later will not be entertained. For more information, you can browse official provide link below in description. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for new associate content management for the organization Accenture in India, located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Job skill is content moderation, designation management level, new associate. Job location is Bengaluru. Qualifications any graduation. Years of experience, freshers or up to 1 year of experience will be considered. If you see the roles and responsibilities, in this role you are required to solve routine problems, target relay, largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Your primary interaction is within your team and your direct supervisor. You will be given detailed instructions on all tasks that need to be carried out, and the decisions that you make will impact your work. You will need to be well versed with basic statistics and terms involved in the day-to-day business and use it while discussing with stakeholders. You will be working closely with project members to effectively deliver on the requirements. You will be an individual coordinator as a part of your team with a predetermined focused scope of work. To apply for the job role, you have to browse official link given in description. If you have any questions, let us know below in comments. We will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Google organization for the job role product lead located in Bangalore, Karnataka. Minimum qualifications, minimum 10 years of experience as a product management lead in an engineering and technology strategy role, experience in product management or design in internet products and technologies, preferred qualifications, knowledge of multiple functionalities like areas such as product management, engineering, UX, UI, sales, customer support, finance, or marketing, ability to influence multiple stakeholders without directly authority, excellent analytical skills and attention to detail. And if you see the responsibilities, you should define, lead, and execute a holistic strategy to meet their goals, collaborate across regions, product areas, and functions. You should work across a cross functional team, UX, UXR, engineering, sales, and others to make these ideas successful. Work effectively with the dedicated engineering team and partner teams within Google. Speak at marketing events, meet customers to gather feedback and to present roadmaps. Synthesize and drive product strategy from interactions with customers, business stakeholders, legal and policy terms, and build and manage an actionable product roadmap. To apply for the job role, you have to browse official link given in description below. You can check with that. Next, there is job openings for UI manager for the organization Paytm located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Job qualifications if you see BS in computer science or a related field from a reputed school and 10 plus years of core high quality UI architecture design and implementation experience, must have been demonstrated experience as a lead or an architect, in developing user interfaces of large-scale websites using the latest UI frameworks and architectures, experience in managing a team of 6 to 8 UI engineers, deep experience in the following HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, React, and Reactive Native, strong knowledge of performance and user experience issues is essential. Exposure to background technologies like Java, Hibernate, Spring, MySQL, and AWS is desired. Strong problem solving skills. Stockholder management is required. To apply for the job role, you can look into the description below. There is a link available to apply for the job role. If you have any questions, let us know below in comments. Next, there is a job opening for research associate for the organization Shine.com located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Skill set is required: research, validation, HPLC, documentation, and calibration. Roles and responsibilities, if we see, must be aware of basic laboratory techniques like wet analysis, sample handling, instrumentations like HPLC, GC, KF, titrations, gravimetry, and stability sample handling experience is preferable. Good documentation practices, basic troubleshooting of instruments and method development is required. Candidates should have experience in instruments like HPLC, GC, UV, KF, Tetronic, etc. Candidates should have a M Pharmacy or MSc qualification. To apply for this job role, you can browse official link given in description below. There is a job openings for marketing management trainee for the organization Byju's. Job responsibilities, if you see, develop a deep understanding of the industry or product offerings, JEE, need, and gate and process. Work closely with the business team to assist in day-to-day activities, identifying gaps and improving product positioning. Prepare and review business requirement documents and checkpoints as in when needed. Proactively collaborate with multiple stakeholders for end-to-end functional requirement and product development. Participate in critical meetings and stakeholders to evaluate business process and develop go-to-market strategy for new product offering. Work closely with stakeholders to track the KPIs of business specific marketing campaigns, plan, create, and execute lead generation programs. Minimum qualification is completed MBA from Tier 1 or Tier 2 business school. Experience or freshers both are eligible. Minimum 1 year of experience or freshers both are eligible in related field. To apply for the job role, you can browse official link given in description below. Next, there is a job openings for copywriter English for the organization ShareChat located in Bangalore, Karnataka. Responsibilities, if you see, write clear, attractive copy with a distinct voice, interpret copywriting briefs to understand product requirements, collaborate with designers, PR, and other professionals on large and small scale marketing projects, example email campaigns and landing pages, conduct high quality research and interviews, edit and proofread copy as needed, use SEO principles to maximize copy's reach. Source images and other content requirements are like proven experience as a copywriter or related role, knowledge of online content strategy and creation, excellent writing, editing, and proofreading skills in English is mandatory, experience with SEO, strong research skills, creativity, collaborative spirit, excellent time management, and organizational skills are required. To apply for this job role, you can browse official link given in description below. Next, there is a job openings for paid media analyst for the organization Get My Uni, located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Minimum qualification is the performance marketing analyst will also portray a passion and exceptional analytical skills and demonstrate fluency in the acquisition of metrics, being able to evaluate and orchestrate large campaigns spanning numerous marketing channels, proven SEM experience and success managing PPC campaigns across Google, well versed in Facebook performance marketing, conversion and online customer acquisition, strong analytical skills and experience generating campaign performance reports. Candidates from a media agency background would be preferred. Work schedule will be 6 days a week. Employees can work from home as of now. Post the COVID situation, company may demand your presence at the office. To apply for the job role, you can browse official link given in description below. Next, there is a job openings for Rupik copywriter for the organization Rupik, located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. About the job, if you see, a copywriter who can combine creative strategy along with brand communication strategy with copywriting. The role requires one to craft engaging and inspiring brand campaigns that help deliver tangible and measurable results for the brand creating and crafting. Responsible for the crafting and executing thematic and tactical campaigns across mediums, crafting short and long form copy script, etc. Create and repurpose content for multiple uses. Quality control across all written content across languages insights, understands the importance of brand and creative strategy and delivers an output that is both creative and effective, understanding of audience impulse and needs working across teams to craft convincing concepts that stem from consumer insights, maintain knowledge regarding relevant trending topics and news to identify content opportunities. 2 to 3 years as a copywriter across top level agencies with a strong mainline background. Think strategically and demonstrate a keen awareness of both online and offline trends. A wordsmith who is consistent on brand tone and language, ability to deliver a convincing presentation of exciting ideas, highly curious and a strong desire to learn. To apply for the job role, you can browse official link given in description. You can check with that.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.